Hi, my name is Niamh Cullen. I'm a final year media student in Maynooth. I'm 22 and from Dublin. I have been studying from home the last 5 weeks, so I'll try to show you what it's been like for me. So the first thing I do when I set myself up and open up my laptop is go onto the Maynooth Moodle page. So obviously I have my own login, and to the right is kind of upcoming assignments that I might have, and then see this little notification that kind of pops up. It tells you everything that went on from the day before, so it's from 12 hours ago. So my study place kind of has changed from day to day. One great thing about working from home actually is that I can be nice and comfortable in my sitting room for most of my college work. The only time I'll have to move to a desk area is to do an essay or a comm call with one of my lecturers. A lot of my modules actually require different software packages, such as the Adobe Creative Cloud and 3D modelling software such as Maya. Luckily, Adobe offered college students free software until they graduate, so I was easily able to download all the packages that I needed for my upcoming assignments. I'm actually not the only student in my house, so my younger sister studies architecture in DIT, and she's actually transformed one of the bedrooms in my house into like a little studio where she has been doing all her work at home. Now, she's a bit like me, she doesn't have access to a lot of resources in the college, so she kind of has to improvise and do everything at home. So it hasn't been the easiest on her. My online learning experience as a media student has been for the most part quite positive. I was quite apprehensive at the beginning and there were a few minor setbacks, but I do feel I have adapted as the weeks have gone on. I do obviously miss being in the college, I do miss being in the Mac labs and just having one-to-one conversations with my lecturers. There is something a little bit unnatural about a Zoom call, but I'm sure I will get used to it. Other than that, I do feel like I'm coping well and I will hopefully have my degree by the end of this. Thanks for watching.